fall in Las Vegas. The kids are back to school, the days are shorter, and the temperatures are finally retreating. The change in season also means you can water your landscape less, a lot less. Fall watering restrictions are in effect through October 31st. What does that mean for water customers? It means you can only water up to 3 days a week. Now, let's talk about how to water your grass and plants. If you have grass watered by sprinklers, cycle and soak. Run 3 short cycles a day, 4 minutes at a time, about an hour apart. For example, run your sprinklers for 4 minutes at 5 a.m., 6 a.m., and 7 a.m. Running your sprinklers longer can lead to overwatering and water waste. If you have plants watered by drip irrigation, water long and slow and less often. Running drip too many days is the biggest mistake most homeowners make. In fall, water up to 2 days a week. Run one cycle 20 to 40 minutes if you have high flow emitters, and one cycle 30 to 90 minutes if you have low flow emitters. Don't fear your clock. Adjust your watering times and days to comply with fall restrictions or face a water waste fine. Remember, cycle and soak for sprinklers, long and slow for drip, and never water on Sunday.